Ciao Birkin friends, Birkin fans, and Birkin lovers. Michelangelo here from CustomMadeBirkenstocks.com and RepairMyBirkenstocks.com. Today we are not coming from our home office or from my workshop at home, but we are coming to you from the headquarters of Justin Blair in Chicago, Illinois. Justin Blair is the fine purveyor of footwear, foot care products under the Raylan name, and parts for the entire shoe repair industry. So with me today is Justin Bennett of Justin Blair. Justin, thank you so much for coming.
My pleasure.
We did a great video on footbeds, and today we're going to talk about soles, because at Repair My Birkenstocks we can both heal you and save your sole. So we're going to go over some of the options that are currently available at our shop. And Justin's going to talk about some other new products which are coming out. He'll also talk to you about some of the properties of the products that we currently have. So let's start with the basics first. Everybody is familiar with the basic black, brown, and white from Birkenstock. This is the traditional dog bone sole. For those of you who don't know, these are the only colors that Birkenstock currently imports to the United States for the repair industry. So those of you that have bought shoes with multiple color soles, when it's time to replace those soles, we have to go with one of these options or one of the many options here on the table. In addition to these three basic Birkenstock soles, we also have the Super Grip sole, which is very popular with wait staff and chefs and just other people who want to have a slip-resistant, long durability, long-wearing sole. As you know from going to the website, one of the options on the website when you do one of these three soles is our longer wearing heel. And we currently offer two options. They're interchangeable on the website, so you can't pick, but we are moving to the Zvig product. Right now we're using both the Soltech long wearing heel and the Zvig heel. And later on this year, when Zvig brings in the other colors from Italy, then we'll be switching over to the Zvig longer wear heel for all of the products. They both wear really, really well. The Zvig product has a little bit more bounce to it. It gives you a little more cushioning in the heel in addition to the long durability. And as you know, some of the options on the website are some of our Vibram bottoms. Many of you like the Vibram bottoms. We have the scooter sole. We have the wedge, the 2060s and the 2021s. Comes in three colors, black, brown, and a camel color. And then for the rugged type, we have the lug sole from Vibram. And of course, you've all seen on the Facebook page the multitude of colors of our tire soles. Justin, why don't you tell us a little bit about the tire soles?
So the tire sole is made by Italian rubber manufacturer Svig, and it comes in a wide range of colors. You've got 13 solid colors, and then you also have 6 of the tire urban colors. Tire urban colors are 2 colors in each of them, and what's great about these soles, it's made from what's called the trekking compound, and it's going to provide you with excellent traction, durability, comfort, shock absorption. And another bonus is it's easy for Michelangelo to work with because the glue holds extremely well to this. Another sole option here is the Zeus sole, also made by Svig, and this compound here is called Gibless, and it is a sole that is extremely lightweight, shock absorbing, slip resistant, and also provides excellent durability.
And these are in stock. The Gibless and the tire are all in stock, as well as the ribbed bottom for the longer life heel. You have some other products there you want to show us?
Yeah, we've got a couple other Gibless soles here. This is the Athena sole. And this is also from the Gibless compound, just a little bit thicker than the Zeus sole. Another great option for anybody looking for lightweight soling that is going to provide traction and durability. Another option here, the Commando. So another one that's a little more aggressive with your lug design here. For people who need something lightweight, this is a great option.
Great tread on the bottom, but lightweight. The Vibram Kelter belt sole there is awesome. Great traction, but it does add substantial weight to the product that we added to. This Svig sole is probably 1/3 the weight of this Vibram bottom, which is huge. It's big when it comes to lugging it around all day. So you have a great option there. And Justin, what else you have there for us?
A couple other materials here. These are available in sheets. So another product here made from the trekking compound, the same as these tire soles, is the Abaco soling. Just another different grip on there. We've got some color options that are the same, but another great option. Then we've got the Zephyr soling from Svig, and this is very similar to the gibless. It's just a little bit heavier, not much, so it's going to provide same lightweight soling. It has great traction and durability. And then we've got gibless sheets in 2 patterns, Moonlight and then Ithaca. And again, lightweight soling, excellent traction and durability.
Are any of these slip resistant?
Yes.
Which ones?
So all of these, the Zephyr and gibless and trekking, all going to be slip resistant.
So these are excellent choices, and in addition, you know, some of the larger Birkenstocks, size 49 and 50, the Super Grip sole is not made above size 48. So for the larger sizes 49 and 50, and we do see a lot of those, we have to use a sheet good, and so one of these would be an excellent option for the larger sizes also. This is also a little bit lighter than the Super Grip option as far as weight goes, but durability is excellent and it has great slip resisting properties, correct?
Yes. Yep.
So Justin, why don't you tell us a little bit about Justin Blair and what you have to offer?
Sure, would love to. So Justin Blair started out as a shoe store supplier, and we've evolved into a manufacturer and distributor of other foot care and shoe care products, and that includes shoe repair products as well. Raylan Shoe Care is Justin Blair's brand of shoe care products, and is used by shoe stores and other shoe shoe service industry professionals such as shoe repair shops and shoe shiners. The line includes everything from leather care, shoe polish, leather lotion, leather balm, brushes, shoe horns, shoe laces. We have different aerosols, water protectors, athletic, shampoo, shine spray, and it's just a full shoe care line that is trusted by professionals across the country.
So those products are available in independent shoe stores. They're available on your website, RaylanShoeCare.com.
That's right.
And are they also available on the internet through other services? Not currently, or
No.
Basically, there's 2 outlets. So when when our viewers are looking for your product, they can get them either at their local independent shoe store,
Yes.
or they can get them at RaylanShoe.com.
That's right.
And is there any special you're offering to our customers?
We've got a 20% off coupon for all of you out there. The code is Michelangelo20. When you go to RaylanShoeCare.com, when you go to checkout, in the coupon code, you put in Michelangelo20 and you'll get 20% off your cart.
And what about shipping? Is there any bonus for shipping?
Free shipping at $35.
Excellent, excellent. Well, we really appreciate that. That's a great opportunity for our viewers, and I'm sure many of them will take advantage of it. Thanks a lot, Justin.
Thank you.
Well, we hope that we've given you a good variety of some options for your Birkenstock footwear. There's lots of things to cover, And so if you have a specific need, I'll either have it in stock or it's only a day away. Again, Justin Blair is local. They're in Chicago. They're about 25 minutes from the shop. So I can get things right away. It never delays the processing of your repair order. So once again, thanks a lot. We really appreciate your time. Make sure you visit RaylandShoeCare.com. Don't forget Michelangelo 20. Ciao!
Ciao.